Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a wear test on the Maybelline Fit Me. I know this has been out a long time guys, but I wanted to try it because it's supposed to be for people with oily skin types. Now I'm oily. I was like, I want to see, do you really cover the normal to oily is what it says. I was like, I bought this a while ago and it's just been sat in my drawer. We do have some love because most of it is new that I haven't tried, that I need to bring videos out, but then trying to keep up on trends, you know what I mean. I'm going to put my glasses on for this part because I need to read what it says. It says Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. It says natural matte finish, poreless looking skin. It has 35 shades, which is really good. A shade as individual as you are, now with 35 shades. So I don't know what it was before, but what it says is the coverage is medium. I would totally agree with that. Natural matte, no, I wouldn't. It is matte now because I've put powder on, but I wouldn't say it was matte. Best suited for normal to oily skin. Lasts all day for 12 hours. Well, the time now is 9 o'clock. I will come back with later on and tell you about it. So the benefits are ultra blendable liquid foundation for a natural looking matte finish. Target shines and visibly erases the look of pores. Contains blotting micro powders and lightweight blurring powders. Apply Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Liquid Foundation smoothly and evenly to your face. Blend with your fingertips. For more coverage, apply another layer and blend. I didn't know that. So that's basically what they say on Maybelline New York about it. I'll see you now, and obviously I'll tell you what I put on my skin before, and because I always do a wear test as I would normally wear my foundation, because otherwise there's no point. So I will see you now applying said foundation. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Gel Mist just on my face, so just to get a little bit of moisture in there. Oh, that's nice. Then I'm going in with the Revlon Photo Ready primer, and then I'm also going to use the Prime and Fine Aqua Fresh Hydro Primer from CATRICE. Now I've never tried this before. I'm hoping it matches my skin tone as well. So this is really why I wanted to do this wear test on it, and it actually comes sealed, which is really good. So I'm going to do half with a beauty blender and half with a brush. It's a little, yeah, it's definitely runny. Do you know what would help is having a mirror in front of you. I'm like looking at myself thinking, what is actually missing from here? So, oh, that's very orangey tone. I'm just going to start off with that and see where we go from there. On this side I'm going to do the brush. It's very peach toned actually, it's not yellow. And very light coverage. But not a bad match. I'm going to show the coverage on one coat and to that side. So it's not bad, but it's definitely low coverage. So I'm going to try with the beauty blender. That's even less coverage. you can sort of see this. You've got all the marks under the sun. This isn't too bad. Yeah, this is definitely not a full coverage foundation, and it's for normal to oily skin. That's why I chose this. So what I'm going to do this time is use my brush and then just smoothen it a little bit with the blender. I'm trying to put the lid on it. She says. So just gonna see what. You definitely do need to go over this with a sponge because I've got all marks in this. So I'm just going to go back over with my sponge. Already, just from looking at this foundation, I can see every line around my mouth. It won't cover up my glass marks, but it does on this side, but it won't touch it on this side. If you can see, look, it won't touch it on that side, but it has on that, and it's in my lines, in my mouth. Yeah. For now, I'm not loving it. Maybe once it sinks into my skin a little bit, then maybe I will, but as of right this point, no. So I will be back when I've finished getting ready, and I'll come and show you what it looks like. So see you in a second. So guys, I'm back with my face finished. The video on this look will be coming out not long after this. I've had this on for about an hour and a half. So with this, it's supposed to be buildable, poreless and all. No, I can see every single pore on my face, and I use my favourite pore filler, and I can still see. And bearing in mind I have to have glasses on for close up, so when I put my glasses on it looks even worse. It has gone in all my crease lines everywhere. And you know, yes, okay, I've got lines, but I don't need them emphasising that much. I'm just like, it looks nice, but it doesn't. And I'm just not, that's how I feel. As of now, I'm not impressed. I just imagine the smile lines to get worse. You know, even the lines that I've got, like little lines under my nose. So I'm going to draw you guys in so you can see what I'm seeing. So I just wish a few more YouTubers would actually do this, because it irks me, because I can't actually see what they're saying. I can't actually see what they're saying is wrong with their foundation. And it's like, can you get a little bit closer to the camera? Get right up in there. Because, you know, I want to see the foundation. You know, where you're saying that it's gone in this line, it's gone, oh dear, cats, don't have cats guys, where it's gone in. So I'm going to zoom you in and show you, literally over on my lips. My glass marks. The concealer was in there, but when I had to do my intro I had to put my glasses on and it took it straight off. That doesn't bode well. It has gone in every line and it's emphasised. My pores, I can't see if you can see this, I'm not going to know till editing, but I believe you will be able to. My pores are ginormous, so not looking good. For me, I will be back in a few hours. It will be a few hours. Going to go to IKEA to start sorting out my bedroom space, that I don't have to have this flimsy thing up. And yeah, I'll give you my final thoughts then. but for now it's no. It really is. I would, if anything, try and see. I don't see the point in mixing foundations. And I'll see you guys in about 5-6 hours. Hi everybody, I'm back with this wear test on the Fit Me Maybelline Poreless. And I don't know why I said it like that, I just did. I think because I'm tired. It's now 5:30 and I'm shattered. So this foundation's been on for about 8 hours, 8.5 hours, and I like it, but I don't like it. So I think that, and I'm going to give you the reasons why, and the reason is it's still in all my lines. It hasn't changed at all from what I showed you when I came back. It's literally the same. There is no difference. I've lost a little bit on my chin, which you can live with. It's still on my forehead, it's still on my nose, it's still on my cheeks. Now when I look in the mirror without my glasses on, it looks nice, but when I put my glasses on, I can see every pore. But I did speak to one of the cashiers in Boots, and she was like, I wasn't actually talking to her, I was talking to the person I was with, and the woman turned around and went, but you can't actually see, it's your perception on it. And I was like, oh right, because I suppose so, because my glasses are for reading, so me putting them on and looking in the mirror, it's going to make everything look bigger pores wise. But I still feel like with the foundations that make my pores look bigger, I don't get on with as much. You know, when I've got my glasses on and I'm sat there and I'm looking in the mirror and I'm like, no, it's wrong. So I do like this foundation. It's got medium coverage like it states, but I think I might try and mix this with something like the Fenty, just to give it that little more pore refining, because this doesn't refine pores or lines or anything like that. They are there on show, but when I look at myself I can't see it. So I will draw you in and show you what I see, because for me I look alright, but when you get close and personal, then you see it. So as you can see, it's like, it has gone slightly around my nose, but again, I've not got my glasses on, and I'm just going off this, a little bit off my chin. This is a hormone spot coming through, but I'm not allergic to the foundation. It's still gone off my glasses, not so bad this side, and as you can see, it's in all my fine lines. So honestly, I'm not saying this is a bad foundation at all. I think that it's quite a nice foundation, and I've just got to stop putting my glasses on and looking at things, because when I do that I see everything, and I mean everything. But then sometimes I think to myself, well, in a way that's good, because, you know, I'm not coming to you telling, but you know, this looks like this, but you can't see it. You guys get as close as possible to me, and in the sense that I bring my camera here and then I zoom in as well, so you actually get the best thing that I can show you. That's how I feel on this foundation. I will probably try it again. I'm not averse to the fact of trying it again, and it stayed on through me being out and about and doing the things that I've been doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this Fit Me by Maybelline, and you understand where I'm coming from with it all. So yeah, I'd actually wear this again. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did and you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring a video out. And also any comments leave down below, would much appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.